Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For this lesson, we're going to make room tag for every rooms, like what you see on this screen now. For the door 1 and the door 2, I already prepared some door tag, room tag for this area. And how I do that, I will gonna show you. And okay, from the architectural tab, this room tag. This is the command on how uh, to put or identify the rooms that we prepared on the plan. So just click this one, and as you can see, if there is already have a room tag, they highlights like this as a default in Revit. So now we are going to prepare on the third one. So like this and this one. So this one. So to rename that, uh, So to rename this one, we're going to draw D3 for the door 3, and this is a living area, and this is the D3 for the toilet. Okay, and this is a kitchen area, and this is D3. Slightly move this one. Okay, and again, room tag. Click here, and click here. Uh, do it the same. Click here, and click here. So D4, this is correct. Kitchen area, and D4 toilet, and D4 living area. Okay, and this one is D5 living area, and this is toilet for D5. Just move a little bit, and this is kitchen area for D5. Okay, so once we tag this once we tag all the rooms, as you can see, it's clearly visible now what are the rooms indicated per area. So this is very helpful for the other to prepare their layout. Like for example, when we exported this to electrical and to plumbing, they can easily identify which area are they working. So like for example, in the D1, they are working the plumbing, and the other is working in the D2, etc. So for the architectural, we can simply put a legend on this side like this. So go to annotate tab, and if you see this color fill legend, just click this one and click here like this, and make these rooms by room name and number, and they will calculate. And as you can see, once we edit the scheme, we can change the color. Like, oh, I want this red, make it red, and I want this green, make this green. I want this blue, make it blue, or I want this um to call this magenta. Then click apply, and then okay. So as you can see, the color is changing. So this is for the architectural to identify all the rooms inside. So Um, Aside from that is we can also modify this to edit scheme. If you don't want to show it in red, just uncheck this one, then click apply, and then okay. So the red will not come in, and that's it, guys. That is how to assign a room tag for the architectural, and I hope you like it and you learned something. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you. See you on the next video.